Hello, friends. You could be a teacher, or could be an officer, or could be a normal worker, or whatever maybe. I am going to teach you how to organize your data in your laptop. Nowadays, everything is online. Yes, but still, after few years, we have to search our documents, right? So this is the case. Many of them, I lost my data, but I don't know how to search. It is there, but I don't know. So how to organize? Let us see. Usually in your PC there will be many drives. You can see C drive, D drive and E drive. Usually we don't store in C drive. So if you are taking first thing you have to select the drive. D drive you can keep it for official and E drive you can keep it for personal. If you have many drives that is depends upon you. Don't mix the drives. So you should be clear. So I am taking a D drive as official. So what you have to do is first thing create a folder. Year wise you have to create a folder. So I am going to create a folder. Suppose I am now 23. So 2023 one folder. Now in this folder, what are the documents I am going to have? Maybe photos means you have to keep as a photo. If you are working in office, you need to save photos or activity photos. Still you want to keep a particular name, keep a particular name. But it will take 2 minutes or 2 seconds to create. That's all, but it is very useful for you so that you need not search again and again. This is 2023. So whatever folders first you created. Just for example, photos, important files, documents. Suppose if you have a PPT or presentation, create that folders. This is under 2023. Don't keep so many folders also. So something which is very important, put it in important files. Or maybe you can have 5 folders because so many also it will be too many. You can't remember so many things. This is one thing. Next thing, when you are going to 2024, you have just moved to 2024. Your duty is you have to clear it. Go to 2023. Really, do you want that? You can have, or else you clear it. Now go to 2024 folder. You have to create. It's just this one. Based on this one, you can create the data. Suppose under your this one, many workers are there. You want to name them. That also you can do it. This is a clear organization. Next is E1. E drive. Suppose I want to keep all my personal. So you can keep in E drive. So it will take time. Maybe when you are creating, you should not be lazy. Always be clear when you save as when you type a document. I will show you example. When you are typing salary slip or any important mark sheet or a name list. So always go to save as, and when you are giving the name, that also you should be clear because when you're searching you have to search in a proper way. So here it will take time. So this PC, and you have to browse, could be D drive. So in D drive, suppose 2023 I'm going to save in important files. Here also when you're giving the file name, give with a clear name list. Means about what, about a class or a office or something, whatever it is. You have to search, you have to save in a specific name so that when you search it will be very easy for you. So I will show you how to search, how to pick up your file easy way, but always keep the name properly so that when you search, no, obviously will forget the name, so you can search in easily. Now I want to search. How to search? Suppose I'm opening a folder, I will show you. Now you can see there are lot of files. So what you can do, there are many types. That is, one is view, extra large icons. This is view. I want to view in a list or content. If you see content, if you are clicking on view, you can see the file in big way or small. Suppose I want to sort, you can go sort by or group. You can see name, date, modified, type. If you suppose want to check CPPTs or Excel sheet, it will show accordingly. So from this, but here when you are searching, you have to be particular. So don't keep so many names. If you are having something, please be specific so that you can search it easily. So this is the thing, organized way. So not only in shelf or something, even a laptop should be organized. So try these tips.